So, you're thinking about starting your own business? Brilliant! Honestly, it's one of the most exciting journeys you'll ever go on. But let's be honest, it can also be a bit terrifying. Today, I want to share my top tips for getting your small business off the ground and the big mistakes I see beginners making all the time. If you want to save yourself a ton of hassle, stick around. First up, don't wait for the perfect idea. So many people get stuck in planning mode, trying to create something groundbreaking. The truth is, most successful businesses start with something simple. Just solve a real problem you care about and get started. Next, talk to your potential customers early. Don't just build in isolation. It's easy to fall in love with your own idea, but what really matters is whether people actually want what you're selling. Ask questions, listen to feedback, and don't be afraid to adjust your plan. Here's a big one. Keep your costs low. It's tempting to splash out on fancy branding, a top-of-the-range website, or even an office before you've made your first sale. Trust me, it's not necessary. Start lean, focus on delivering value, and upgrade as you grow. Now, let's talk about mistakes. Number 1, trying to do everything yourself. Look, you're talented, but you can't be an expert at everything. Don't be afraid to ask for help, whether it's from a mentor, a friend, or even YouTube tutorials like this one. Another classic: ignoring the boring stuff. I get it. Finance, legal documents, taxes. It's not exactly thrilling. But sorting out the basics early will save you a world of pain down the line. Set up separate business accounts, keep your receipts, and keep things organized from day one. And finally, don't give up too soon. Every business faces setbacks. You might have days where nothing goes right, where you question if it's all worth it. But stick with it. Keep learning, keep adapting, and remember why you started in the first place. So if you're starting your business journey, remember, start simple, listen to your customers, keep your costs down, and don't be afraid of mistakes. They're part of the process. I genuinely believe anyone can succeed with the right mindset and a willingness to learn. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a like, and let me know your business ideas in the comments. I'd love to cheer you on. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your new venture.